Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shopify, step by step, with a quick and easy tutorial perfect for 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to level up your online store skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to get your store up and running fast. Let's jump right in. Once you've created your Shopify account and logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can manage every part of your store, your products, your customers, your payments, and of course, your store's design. On the left-hand side, you'll find the online store tab. Go ahead and click that. This is where the fun begins, because this is where you'll manage your themes. Think of your theme as the overall design and feel of your shop. A good theme doesn't just look nice, it helps build trust with your customers and showcases your brand's personality. To start, you can import a theme you've already downloaded or purchased. Just click the Import Theme button, upload your file, and Shopify will handle the rest. If you don't have one yet, click Visit Theme Store. The Shopify Theme Store is packed with both free and premium themes designed for all kinds of businesses, from clothing brands to tech accessories. Take your time browsing and pick one that matches your brand's aesthetic. Once you've chosen a theme, click Customize. This is where you can truly make your store your own. Here, you can edit your homepage layout, add images, banners, or featured products, all with simple drag and drop tools. Upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and adjust your fonts to match your brand style. Shopify's editor is super intuitive, so you can experiment confidently without worrying about breaking anything. While customizing, don't forget to explore the theme settings. You can tweak your color palette, adjust typography, and even select a style preset to give your site a polished, cohesive look that feels professional and unique. And just like that, you've built the foundation of your Shopify store. From here, you can start adding products, setting up payments, and launching your business to the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and practical e-commerce tips. Now it's your turn. Go build something amazing and start your Shopify journey today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.